Japan. The political divisions of Japan. Japan has 47 prefectures on the basis of geographical and historical background. These prefectures can be divided into 8 regions: Tohoku, Hokkaido, Kanto, Chubu, Kinki, Shogoku, Shikoku, and Kyushu Okinawa. Each region has its own delicate customs and unique traditional culture. Japan has a population of 126 million. The Prime Minister of Japan is Yoshide Suga. Capital city of Japan is Tokyo. The physical divisions of Japan. The area of Japan is 3,77,800 square kilometers. Japan is made up of 3,000 islands which form a long chain along the eastern coast of Asia. Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku are 4 big islands of Japan. Japan is a mountainous country with few narrow coastal plains. Mountainous area account for more than 70% of Japan's land, so major cities are concentrated in plains and account for less than 30% of the land. The tallest mountain in Japan is the Mount Fuji. It is 3,776 meters high. Volcanic eruptions and earthquakes are common throughout Japan. The longest river in Japan is the river Shinano with a length of 369 kilometers. The rivers in Japan are soft and swift and are not navigable but are important sources of power and irrigation. Climatic conditions are different between the Pacific side and the sea side of Japan. Northern Japan has warm summers and very cold winters with heavy snow on the sea side of Japan. Japanese culture. The traditional dress of Japan is the kimono. They are made up of silk, have large sleeves and reach from the shoulders all the way down to the heels. They are tied with a white belt called an obi. Different types of kimono are worn depending on the occasion. Japanese eating is based on rice with miso soup and other dishes. There is an emphasis on seasonal ingredients such as dishes often consist of fish, pickled vegetables and vegetables cooked in broth. Seafood is common, often grilled but also served raw as sashimi or in sushi. Japanese games. There are many famous Japanese games which are kendama, shogi, rock paper scissors and many more. Japanese festivals are traditional festive occasions. Some festivals have their roots in Chinese festivals centuries ago but have undergone great changes as they mixed up with local customs. Each state has its own delicate tradition and culture, and Japanese have different festivals in various parts of Japan and have their own ways of celebrating it. I hope you like this video. Thank you once again.